Hi, this is Matt Miller, Vice President of Ernie Lopez Bail Bonds and LopezBail.com. Today, I'm talking about what to do if yourself or a loved one is arrested during the coronavirus pandemic. Of course, these are scary and stressful times, and they get even more frightening thinking that you might be out of control with who you're coming into contact with in a local jail. And when I say a local jail, I'm talking about local police departments such as Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach, Hermosa Beach, El Segundo, Palos Verdes Estates, even the local sheriff's substations. And these are relatively small facilities. And so your chances of being infected or communicating the virus at this point are pretty low. There's still, of course, a good chance, and you certainly want to get out of there as soon as possible, whether it's using a bail bond agency like ourselves to bail out, or just getting released on your own recognizance, maybe for a smaller crime. However, what you absolutely want to avoid is going to a jail like LA County Jail. In Orange County, some smaller police departments are already just bringing all arrestees to the county jail. So if that happens, there's really nothing that you can do about it. But in these larger jails, and I'm going to talk about Los Angeles County in particular, the way that the smaller stations work is that if you have any sort of medical condition, you require medication, you're sick, you have even say like a broken arm or leg, when they arrest you, they automatically send you to LA County as soon as you are booked in. And so there is an incredibly tight window between the time that you are arrested to the time that we can bail you out to keep you from going to Los Angeles County if you have been arrested locally. So in those cases, you absolutely need to call us quickly so that we can keep you from going to LA County, because there are massive scares of a coronavirus outbreak inside LA County Jail. And I can tell you that that is one of the worst places to be, because the medical care that you get at the county jail simply is not nearly what you could get from a hospital, or even just from being at home. The medical ward will be full, and the way that LA County Jail is so overcrowded that inmates are kept in pods or groups where there are lots and lots of people together. So the virus, once it gets in there, it is going to spread extremely rapidly. And so especially if you have any sort of immune issues, if you're a smoker, if you're older, these people are going to be in serious trouble if they are arrested and they do contract the virus in a county jail type setting. So it's so important to bail out quickly from a local jail before you are sent on to LA County. Oftentimes people think, if I say that I've got a medical condition, maybe they'll just release me. And that is not the case. Instead, they do the opposite, and they send you straight to LA County. And so the best thing that you can do as soon as you are arrested is call us, and we will do everything in our power to get you released from that local jail without ever having to go to LA County. So if you have any questions about that, or a loved one's been arrested and you're finding this video, please give us a call. Our number is 310-371-5548. During the coronavirus epidemic, we are doing absolutely everything in our power to get everyone that we can released back at home so that they can follow the shelter at home initiative, which will really do the best to stop from spreading the virus. Additionally, we're putting out some tips that you can do at home to keep yourself and your family safe. So I'll put a link to that below, as well as to a really interesting article about what they're doing at LA County Jail. They're actually releasing more and more inmates to try to limit the spread of the virus, but there's really not much that they can do. So I'll put a link to that article in the description. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on court information, which courts are open and closed, as well as what's going on with law enforcement and the bail industry, as well as the insurance industry as a whole, and how those things are being affected by the coronavirus pandemic. I hope that you and your family are safe and healthy, and have a great day.